after you've registered an account, created a site, added pages, and made sure your site looks okay, you may wonder, well, how do I get visitors to my new Intertune site? You have a couple options there. So option one is not a glamorous option, but you can use this cryptic URL that we've generated for you. For example, this one, it's wkbibk.intertune.mobi. And if you want to advertise this address and tell people about this address, you are welcome to, and they'll end up at your Intertune site. Obviously, that's not the most elegant solution, so maybe you want your business name.intertune.mobi as something people can access. If you want to have that happen, just send us an email to support@intertune.com. We'll make sure that it's available internally here, and we'll go ahead and change that for you. So that's one way. Another way is you might have your own domain name, and you may say, well, I have a domain called test.com, and we're just using that as an example here. And I want to redirect everyone that goes to mobile.test.com to my Intertune site because I want to just use it for my mobile users. That's perfectly fine. You can do that by placing this redirect code that we have here in the site settings section and putting that on the index page of your regular website. If you have access to your regular website, you can modify the file and insert this in there, or you can give it to your web developer if you have one. Otherwise, you can basically come back here, and so if we wanted to use, for example, m.test.com, we can use that, and we can save that. And this assumes obviously that you own test.com and you want m.test.com to point to us. You'll see this message pop up here that where the custom domain redirect status is an error, and the reason for that is you have to do a couple things in order to make sure that m.test.com points to us. That's thoroughly explained on our help file here. I'm not going to regurgitate everything that's here, but once you fix that and update your domain registration in order to point m.test.com to us as per the instructions here, you'll see that the custom domain redirect status is okay, and at that point you can start using your custom domain in order to access your Intertune site. Additionally, if you don't have a domain, you can register the domain in the settings section. You can register a brand new domain, and then once you do so, using the register domain here, you can come back and plug that domain in the domain name field here. So essentially you can procure your own domain name and have a custom domain. Additionally, you may want to point your regular website to your Intertune site, and to do that, instead of m.test.com with the redirect code on your regular website, you might point www.test.com to us and say, you know what, you guys just handle all my web visitors. Our sites obviously can accommodate that because not only are they mobile friendly, they work well on desktops, they work well on tablets or any device, so they'll look good either way. So you just basically plug in www.test.com and then also follow the same instructions that you see here on the page that we visited previously, and that should work. I know that this particular thing is a little bit confusing just because of the way the nature of the internet works, and feel free to reach out to us and ask for help if you have any problems or you need some more guidance. We're more than happy to help you out here.